Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see how to set up a Linux server in our AWS account. So you have to create an account in your AWS, then log in using the credentials. So in order to create a Linux server, you have to launch an EC2 instance. So you could see launch instance here. You should create an instance using clicking on launch instance. So yeah, so you could see the details here. You could type in a custom name for your server. I'm using Linux server as my custom name for my server. So then you have to choose your OS image type. That is, I chose Ubuntu as my OS image. You could use Red Hat or Ubuntu, Windows or any other. Then you have to choose your version for the image. That is, I chose Ubuntu server 24.04 LTS version. Then you have to select the instance type you are selecting. That is, I chose T2 micro as my instance type because it is free tier eligible. There you could get 1 CPU and 1 GB of memory. If you need, you could select any other instance type, but keep in mind that it is paid versions. If you choose T2 small or T2 medium, you could use more CPU and more GB of memory. So I chose T2 micro as my instance type. Then you have to create a key pair. So the key pair is used to log into your Linux server. You could type in your custom key pair name. This key pair already exists. So Linux key. Yeah, Linux key. I chose Linux key as my key pair name. So it will be automatically downloaded in .fm format. So click on create key pair. So it will be downloaded to your file system. You could verify that by yeah here it is. The private key is downloaded. So here in the network settings, keep everything as default. If you need to allow HTTPS or HTTP traffic from the internet, you have to click on allow HTTPS. It actually opens the port for that traffic to your EC2 server. When I click on allow SSH traffic, it automatically opens port 22. So here we have to configure the storage. You could choose your storage type. Then click on create launch instance. Yeah, successfully initiated launch of instance. Click on that. Wait for a few seconds. The instance is loading. Yeah, our Linux server instance state shows it is running. Click on the Linux server. Yeah, here this is the public IP address. This is the private IP address. Okay, click on connect. Select SSH client. Here we have to use these commands in order to log into your server. First of all, before that, we have to copy out that private key to your terminal first in order to do the SSH. So I am creating a file as Linux key.pem. Okay, copy our private key to that file, save it. Here you could see that file is successfully saved. Okay, you have to run this command to ensure your key is publicly viewable. copy that command, just paste it. Okay, then copy this command in order to do the SSH. Okay, just enter, type in yes. Okay, we have successfully logged into your EC2 server. We could use the curl command to view our IP address. So this is our IP address, which is same as our that of our EC2 instance that we just created. So here it is. So we have successfully created a Linux server.